Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, TechnoYara. I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to be talking about ObjectRemover AI, a new AI tool that can remove unwanted objects from photos. It's a great tool to remove anything from photos. In this video, I'll show you how to use ObjectRemover AI, and I'll also give you some tips for getting the best results. So without any delay, let's start the video.
To use the ObjectRemover AI tool, you have to come to the ObjectRemover AI website. Links are given in the description box. You can come to this page by clicking on that. On this page you can see there is no need to create an account. You can use it without any account. Here you can see the process of how to remove the unwanted object from a photo. When you scroll down, you can see some examples of this tool. Like, you can remove unwanted objects from e-commerce product images. You can remove unwanted objects from social media posts. You can use it in your personal photographs, and you can use it in the graphic design project's images also. So let's see how to use this tool. First, click on the Upload an Image option. Then select your image. Now choose your brush size. And after that, set your in-paint strength according to your need. After that, select the objects that you want to remove from your image. For example, I want to remove this person from this image. So I select him, and after that click on the Erase option. Now see the magic. What happened? Did you feel like what a great tool? You can see, it's amazing. What would you like to say? Is it a good tool or not? Please tell us in the comment box. Now your image is ready to download. To download your image, click on the download button. And your image will be downloaded.
In conclusion, I would like to say that ObjectRemover AI is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is a good option for businesses and individuals who want to remove unwanted objects from photos without having to spend a lot of time or money. So this was today's video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the ever-evolving tech universe. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in AI and technology, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TechnoYara. And remember, the future is tech, and the possibilities are limitless. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the world of tech with us. Thanks for watching.